Did you know that adding a simple citrus vinaigrette can transform your ordinary salad into a flavor explosion? Here's how to whip up a delicious dressing that will elevate your greens. Start with just one ingredient: fresh citrus juice. Squeeze the juice of 1 orange and 1 lemon into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of high-quality olive oil, a pinch of salt, and a dash of pepper. Whisk it all together until it's well blended and emulsified. Try this today to bring a refreshing zing to your salads. Citrus is not only tasty, but it's also packed with vitamin C, which can boost your immune system and enhance skin health. Imagine a salad that not only tastes amazing, but also keeps you feeling energized throughout the day. Drizzle this vibrant vinaigrette over a bed of mixed greens, juicy cherry tomatoes, and creamy avocado for a colorful, nutrient-rich meal. The bright flavors of citrus will awaken your taste buds and make healthy eating enjoyable. Would you try this? Share your favorite salad combinations or dressing tips in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to eat healthier together and make every meal a delightful experience.